Okay, I'm going to work on my lawn tractor. It's the Cub Cadet 50-inch 2005 model. What happened is the throttle cable never broke. I have actually no idea what I did with the old one, so I had to find me a new one. There's the new one. It broke inside internally, came apart. How it comes off is just basically pop it out of here, and here's what's left of the cable. I was able to start it by pulling it all the way out and getting a choke, so I had to go get a new one. I found this one on eBay, called Cub Cadet. They were back ordered, got the part number, and I found it on eBay, less than 40 bucks for the same one to replace. So it just runs around behind the engine, comes down here, and here's where it's next. You got one nut here, it's a 9 mil, and what I did is I throw the cable all the way over, and then I took the new cable and put a little black mark, kind of lined it up where it's going to be at, so when I put it on there I know it's exactly where it's supposed to be at. So what I'm going to do now is run the new cable through there and bring it around and see what we got here. So let's hold on here a second. Okay, so all you gotta do is, I just set it in here for now. You basically drop the cable down through there. There's a little hole back in here you drop it through, and then it comes around here and runs through this little bracket here, keep it in place. Got it back here, right here, and that's where she's gonna go. And I got my 9 millimeter. Just take that off. Loosen this up. Hopefully not to go too far. I only got to take it all the way off. Let's see here. Nope. How much screws left in there? A little more screw. I don't want it to really come out. A little more. And it's on the bottom. Remember that. Well, come on, you little pain in the butt. Now it's got a little, oh, I see. It's got a little notch in the bottom. Keep it from moving. I see. All right. So that snaps out of there. There's the old broken cable. Let's see if we can get the new one in there without. They say that now. All right. Had to stretch it and push it back. Watch it note. Oh. Here's my. Of course, I don't see my black mark. That's perfect. We'll find it here in just a second. We know we'll figure it out. And with that back in there. Why don't I see my black mark? Little notch back there it's got to be in. Why isn't that going there? Hold on, let me take a look at this a little closer here. All right, well, I actually run my black mark off. That was nice, but it should be, I got all the way down to idle, all the way to the far right as you're facing it. Tighten this back down, and tighten this up, snug right there. Now, should be, I think this is a little bit different. It seems like I hear it click there, and that should be choke. And choke brings it all the way to there. All right, so full choke. And let's see if she'll start with full choke. That's get my thing pulled up there. So and there you go. Okay, I didn't push this back in here because it kind of snaps in there. That's the only clean part of my tractor. So basically, just make note of where it goes. That's all the way idle. That's snugged in there. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, the part was like $40. Like I said, when I called Cub Cadet, they were back ordered. And then just take that, snaps it in there, and we're good. That's it. quick and easy. Part number, let's see here. I will find my, oh, here we go. I'm gonna find the part number. This is on a 2005 model. 9460509 3495. That was the, there you go. That's it. Quick, easy fix. And also I gotta clean the mower. But other than that, still running good. I do have one issue with it I gotta fix. I'm not sure what it is. The engage for the blade is not working properly, but I got a way to get it working. So let's see how many hours, how many hours, 128 hours at this point in time. But I did replace the fuel filter a while back. It clogged up, and changed the oil again. And I got the bagger on there. I've been bagging leaves. You can see my seat's a little torn up because I'm ruffling the equipment. But other than that, works good. So should hear it. I don't know if it's the same design they had before, but they must have a problem because like I said they were on back order. But anyway, there you go. Replacing the throttle choke cable. Thanks for watching.